Yes, Mr.
Hello. Well, this is a matter where, my lord, an affidavit in opposition has been filed by the state, my lord.
Huh.
Earlier, my lord, I have taken time to file the affidavit in reply, but I
Uh-huh.
did not file it, my lord.
Hmm.
Kindly give me 1 week time, my lord. I will respond to the, my lord, affidavit filed by the state.
From 22 onwards, this matter is pending.
My lord, yes.
And it's basically with regard to a Pukuri,
It's Pukuri, my lord.
which
Now,
is
the
a
question is, my lord,
heritage site.
No, my lord. The question is now, my lord, to say that it belongs to a heritage site is there. First, it has to be identified as such.
And the affidavit, they have very categorically made statements.
They have made a statement, but in paragraph 8
And
of
this
the-
affidavit,
in-
Mr. Chaudhary, is of 22.
Yes, my lord. In paragraph 8 of the affidavit filed by the Director of Archaeology, you'll also find that now also she is not certain about that particular site. She says that public hearing is required and that will be allowed so that by the way of the public hearing, they can ascertain as to whether that site is, my lord, really an archaeological site or not.
And they have taken reports from the district administration also, revenue authorities also.
Nothing is there, my lord.
Uh,
Except the fact that how, there is a
They say that
process.
your documents that you submitted,
My lord.
in view of the resettlement operations taking place,
The link
it's
is-
difficult
the
to
link is not there.
link
Link
is.
is not there, but I'll just place before your lordship, my lord.
No, if you want to file an affidavit, file it.
Yes,
We'll have it for final disposal.
yes, my lord.
Mr. G. Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and Ms. M. Burman, Learned Counsel, appearing for all the respondents, for the state respondents. Mr. Chaudhary submits that the affidavit in reply on behalf of the petitioner against the affidavit in opposition filed by the respondent number 4 would be filed invariably on or before. Today is 21, on or before 30/4/2025. Also, registry accordingly to list this matter again on 5/5/2025 for admissions. An endeavor would be made to dispose of the matter on the next day. So it is made clear that no further opportunity to file a rejoinder would be granted to the petitioner.
I'm representing 226, my lord.
226,
One is
Ms. Burman,
Assistant
for respondent number 226.
I'm the block.
Mr. Soikia, how can we help you in this case? The stand taken in the affidavit is that this information was never given. So they could not, they are not in a position to ascertain that fact. And you have not even cared to file a reply to this.
The report says, my lord, there is, my lord.
But the affidavit says that it's very categorical statements have been made in paragraph 5.
Kindly give me 2 days time, my lord.
This affidavit was filed in 19. What further time
It's
can
true,
we?
my lord. The petitioner is, my lord, she is out of any service. Wife.
I mean, you could have
Let-
even gone up, filed,
Today-
because
today's
that
time.
policy says this is only an interim payment.
2 days
You-
time may be granted, my lord. Just 2 days.
Otherwise, the report which has been submitted, when that says that the fault is on the owner of the.
Owner of the, and you were
policy-
working in someone's, Mr. Chaudhary's,
Jordan, sir.
premises.
My-
Lordship,
Therein,
kindly have a look at the. Regulation. So this compensation is only payable if there is fault on the
part of the APDCL authorities.
So if they challenge the report that there is a remedy under the Electricity Act.
Hmm.
Otherwise, the report is there, your lordship, even if any stand is taken on affidavit.
That
will only
will
lead to
not.
two different positions of fact, your lordship.
You are referring to
Rule 5.
Rule 5.
Yes.
So
Lordship, kindly please,
come to the report.
my ear. Inquiry, serial number 9, inquiry process, my lord.
Page.
Page, my lord, 3.
affidavit filed by respondent number 4.
of respondent of four. Page 3.
Serial number 9.
Serial number 9. APDCL authority did not intimate. That is also one of the negligence.
Intimate means their stand is that this incident was never brought to their notice.
I filed a FIR and information was
But-
given.
You have not brought it that because of your fault, see, this has happened, so that they can take further course of action. That's,
Right.
come to paragraph 5, page 24, internal affidavit, internal page 3 of the affidavit filed by 1, 2, 3, and 5. And come to clause 13 of that report.
Well. Contravention.
Contraventions.
Yes. From the facts and circumstances leading to the accident, it appears that there occurred violation of provisions of parent law. Before that, you'll also kindly peruse the first clause 9 or not, my lord.
No, that they have taken up, that they have clarified in paragraph 5 of their affidavit.
My lord.
And the report also does not attribute any default on the part of the APDCL authorities. And para 14 is just a recommendation.
Yes.
So para 13, we cannot attribute any default on the part of the APDCL authorities from the
Kindly-
material
kindly,
available.
my lord, allow me to read, my lord, para 9. my lord.
Great.
The matter of the accident came to knowledge of to this inspectorate only after receiving a letter dated so and so from the additional authority requesting for furnishing the parawise comment on the petition number so and so of this Honorable Guwahati High Court. Upon receipt of the order of the Honorable Guwahati High Court, the process of inquiry was started along with the visit to site of the accident occurred on 3/6/2017. Accordingly, the report prepared. However, APDCL submitted a report on 17/5/17 without detailed causes leading to the accident. They also reported that in the year 2011, this is important, APDCL Jalukbari Electrical Subdivision already written a letter to the circle officer, Tezpur Avenue Circle, regarding construction of houses under 33 kV line and requested him for eviction of those household from the right of way of 33 kV line, as informed by the so and so file. This was not done by either by the APDCL authority or by the district revenue. And while working under that person as daily wage labor, the husband of the petitioner came in contact. I tell you, thanks.
This whole incident, if you go through the report, the APDCL authorities are not at fault because they had already required the house to be cleared. Right of way was there. And secondly, you were not doing any work in that has not fallen down or that had not disconnected. You unfortunately came in touch with that while you were doing some work on the tin of the house. The tin were being changed or something.
Yes.
So how can the APDCL authorities be held to be liable here?
Firstly, my lord, the APDCL authority did not take any action, my lord.
Why? Because if you have not informed them, what action will they take?
We have informed you. We have
Where?
filed the FIR.
Where is your letter to the APDCL authorities?
There is
Can you
no
come-
specific letter.
Then
We are
And the
filing
para
FIR as
five,
well as
para
non-conforming
five
order.
is very clear.
Kindly-
Para five of the
That
affidavit
is there,
filed by
that is there, man.
then. And there is
But-
no counter. This affidavit is of 19. And see, there is a report that the man had, the person, owner had accepted the liability, paid you 50,000. And then even a job was offered. So that goes to reveal that there was some fault on his part.
No job
And
was offered, man.
that job is between you and that man, not with this court cannot do anything. Para 11 is also very clear. Para 11 of the report.
Brief description. There exists 133 kV pair overhead line. connecting-
Because no house could have been constructed there. Because a house was constructed, the distance between the line
Line
and the house got reduced.
Reduced. Although, my lord, the revenue authority was directed to my lord, every.
I can,
That-
if you want to withdraw this, I'll give you liberty to approach the appropriate forum for any benefit you have.
No, kindly fix it on Wednesday, I will take insert.
As paid for by Mr. P. J. Saikia, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Registry to list this matter again on Wednesday.
How like that?
I'm just keeping it inside this. Upor likha, sir. Heard Mr. P. J. Saikia, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. S. S. Roy, Learned Counsel appearing for
Respondent number 4.
respondent number 4 and Mr. K. Pathak, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 1, 2, 3 and 5. Upor likhi Pathak, Tabshat likhi. Also, Mr. P. J. Saikia, Learned Counsel on being queried has not been able to satisfy this court that the reports submitted in the reports available in the matter pertaining to the accident, electrocution caused to the husband of the petitioner was on account of any default on the part of the APDCL authorities. Also, Mr. Saikia, in view of the above position, submits that he be granted time till Wednesday to make to make further submissions in the matter. Prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the respondents. Accordingly, the registry to list this matter again on Wednesday.
How like that?
Well, in this case, we were directed to take fresh steps, which we took, and by last order, my lord, it is also recorded that my lord service has been completed.
Hmm.
So for respondent number
Four,
4 and
6. Okay, but there is no pleading brought on record.
We'll file it. Only recently the notice came. And I have.
What happened to the money? Money is still,
Then money is still there. Money is still there. We did the deputy commissioner.
these issues should not come to court. This issue should be settled between you yourself.
Normally, yes.
These are religious institutions.
Actually, we have given document in which the Satra Mahasabha has supported us, the petitioner. But
So
there
why
are also
don't you
private
appear
response.
before the deputy commissioner? He is holding the money.
Well, there were some meetings, my lord, prior to our coming here, my lord. In that case, my
See,
lord,
Mr. Goswami, this money is not for you.
my lord, exactly. for the
Neither
Satra,
it's for them. It's for the Khotra.
Satra,
And the Khotra is suffering
my lord.
because of this proceeding. So it's pending from 2017. That money could have been put to very good use.
My lord. We
So
are-
why don't you approach before the deputy commissioner, all of you, settle the issue? What do you say, Mr.
Let them
Das?
file whatever instructions they have, my lord, then we can do that, my lord. That can be.
Mr. Das, what do you say?
That would have been the right thing to do.
Oh.
That should have happened long time back.
Because this money, we are not very,
Let it be fixed any other day, my lord, so that we can take instruction and we'll make yours. That is the, whatever your logic suggested, that is the.
because this
correct
issue
step.
should not be
Hey,
kept
Manu.
pending before, because this is neither money for Mr.
Exactly.
It's only who will hold it in trust. But this money is for a greater purpose.
Our part. Okay.
And the Satras are suffering.
If I may, my lord, the issue here is, my lord,
You may be the person who
No,
will
no,
make
it's-
the
it's not-
expenses,
my
maybe
lord,
Mr.
what
Das or
happened,
Mr.
my lord,
Whoever it is.
my lord, by the same name, there are two Satras. One is in Titabar and one is in Jorhat.
Because
money-
one of the hairs from there moved here and he opened up a new
Correct,
separate.
correct,
Oh.
correct.
And the sanction is made in the name of the original one. I'm all right.
Meant for the Satra in Jorhat.
Huh.
Satra in
Pulibor. Pulibor is in Jorhat.
Jorhat, but the response number 5 hails from the Titapur Satra minor. That is the issue.
That is a different, that is an issue
That-
which
that-
you
that is
people
the-
have, because he also claims that to be one of the
That is the issue.
Standing of the.
The
person.
petitioner here is the direct descendant, well, representing the Satra. Well, let them get the instruction done. I think it can be resolved also. I'm hopeful for that.
I'll give you 2 weeks' time, get
But-
the matter resolved. If you say that 2 weeks, you get the matter resolved, we are in
No,
the
They have,
edges of the deputy
well,
commissioner.
I have got no issues at all. They have to, I mean, if they, Satra Mahasabha controls madam.
If he wants, he will take the advice of the Satra Mahakabha also, no problem. Shall I pass that order? Or you want it on the next day? As paid for by the Learned Council for the parties, registry to list this matter again on when?
Madam,
Next is my.
I am game, madam.
Mr. Das, any day convenient to you, sir. Mr. Goswami says he is convenient on
Government
any
has
day.
also not filed any affidavit
I'm
in
not
this.
We have no objection, as it.
Let us see, if somebody wants to have an instruction, let them have that instruction. We'll finish it up.
Some kind of instruction. Got the petition only.
And there is no feedback from the government of till the
Instruction.
When shall we fix it? A short date,
21.
next week? When, give me a date.
Let it be in the first week of May. First week of May.
First week.
First week. On second, on 2/5/2025.
March of May.
Full stop. In the meantime, the parties shall receive instructions as to whether they are agreeable to approach before the deputy commissioner, jurisdictional deputy commissioner, for identification of the person who would receive the amount sanctioned to the Satra in question.
March of May.
My senior is on legs.
Who is your senior?
SK Talukdar.
In this case,
In court.
already 7 years elapsed.
What is
Investigation
left
must
here?
have been completed.
Hmm?
I have, investigation must have been completed.
So we wanted that information. Yes, Mr. Roy, what happened to the investigation? There are 2 FIRs,
Yes. 117.
one by the petitioner, one by the private respondent. What
Yes.
happened to the investigation?
117, 118.
Mr. S.S. Roy, Learned Council appearing for the state respondent submits that he be given a week's time to receive instruction as to the stage of investigation in the criminal proceedings instituted by the petitioner and by the respondent number
Respondent number 6.
6. Full stop. Registry accordingly to list this matter again on 5/5/2025. On the next date of listing, Mr. Roy shall place before this court, shall apprise this court about the stage of the investigation in the criminal proceedings so pending. In the concerned criminal proceedings.
Okay.
And get it, from 17/18, these matters are pending.
My lord, this is regarding, my lord, 2 acres of land in occupation.
Mr. Sharma,
My lord, in the PGR land.
the policy is land to the landless. But your husband already has got land.
My lord, he is
2 kotha
living
plus.
separately.
You're not divorced.
No, my lord.
Then?
Officially that was not there.
That is, you have a claim on that land. Why should we direct you? Some other one person will get it.
May I request one?
But you
Very
see,
good, madam.
and that is a grazing land. We are not permitting that.
I'm seeking only, my lord, I'm the prayer, my lord. May I request, my lord, that matter may be referred to the deputy commissioner for consideration, my lord. or-
No, Deputy
That
Commissioner's
they are
affidavit
not
is very
rejected.
clear.
They have not rejected.
No, they have
It's
rejected,
Clearly stated, my lord.
clearly stated. Para 10, they have stated
Already possessing some land. in
land
form of
and
as-
plus
That is-
VGR.
They have
Clear and
stated.
clear.
See, VGR, PGR is only permissible to be
Yes, yes, of course,
de-reserved
this is
if it
clear,
is for a public purpose.
purpose.
Yeah, for personal use, somebody has done it sometime. We will not permit the policy to be violated.
I leave it to your lordship.
I'll have to dismiss it. If you withdraw it, I'll give you liberty to approach.
Yes.
Mr. J. Sharma.
My lord, one more thing, my lord. 2 days time may be allowed. I will try to get instructions.
You get your instructions, we'll have it today. We're not keeping this matter pending. This matter is
My
not.
lord, lordship may grant me liberty.
Mr. J. Sharma, heard Mr. J. Sharma, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, and also Ms. M. Burman, Learned Counsel appearing for the state respondents. After arguing the matter for some time, Mr. Sharma submits that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition with liberty to the petitioner to approach the concerned authorities for allotment of a plot of land.
Yes, yes.
For a plot of land in terms of the land policy in vogue. The said prayer is not objected to by Ms. M.
Is that
Burman.
Extent of the application.
Huh?
Stand
It's
of
not
the-
objected to by Mr. I said land policy in vogue.
Land policy, land.
Full stop. In view of the above, the present writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for.
Pleasure.
Mr. J. Handick, for responding.
Pleasure.
Lordship, here we have challenged the imposition of the deposit for building permission.
Madam, is something pending, requires any adjudication? You have paid the money in terms of that rules of 2014.
Yes, Lordship.
They can't because they have not gazetted that.
No,
Yes, what do you have to say?
My lord, actually, I think, my lord, I have no specific instruction right now, my lord. But my lord, actually, the authority may already, I think already permission has been given as per interim order, my lord.
but if you demand
Madam,
later on,
I have prepared.
If
my
you
lord.
demand later on, you make an undertaking, give an undertaking, we'll close it because you can't have this because there is a rule.
Yes, your lordship.
If you want to have a separate thing, it's open to you. Go before the government, get it gazetted, get it accepted, you do it.
Yes, your lordship. My
And,
lord,
but you have not done that here. And no affidavit also.
yes, my
From
lord.
18 this matter is pending.
Yes, my lord, earlier my senior was there, my lord. After that, my lord,
Mr.
today
Wazir was
is
there.
my lord. I have to take instruction, my lord.
We'll have it on Monday
Yes, your lordship.
or Friday.
Friday,
it's not Friday. Lordship.
Monday. Mr.
I'm so can.
M. Soikia, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number
Oh,
4 submits that he be granted a week's time to receive instruction in the matter. Also, prayer is not objected to by Ms. M. Hajorika, Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioner. Also, accordingly, registry to list this matter again on 28/4/2025. Also, interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. If she has paid that amount, you have given her permission, that's the end of the matter.
yes, your
Because
lordship.
we only want to make sure that after the disposal of the petition, you don't give a notice that give me the answer. That much only.
Yes, your lordship.
You make an undertaking, we'll close it. This matter should not be pending.
Yes, your lordship. Oblige, your lordship.
You have got your certificate.
Lordship, not as of yet, not now.
Why you apply before under the Bhumiputra scheme?
Yes, Lordship.
Withdraw this,
Yes,
apply there.
regarding the.
Anything more?
No.
Yes, Mr.
Lordship, regarding in the last order, the respondent number 5, 4 and 5 was supposed to bring in
this is the
record.
notification.
Government.
That is the notification clause 7.
Also, in terms of the order dated 2/4/2025, Mr. P. Hajorika, Learned Counsel appearing for the respondent number 4 and 5 has placed on record the office memorandum dated 8/8/2022 pertaining to the guidelines on the standard procedure for issuance of scheduled caste, scheduled tribes and other backward classes oblique no other backward classes certificate. Also, in terms of the said office memorandum, applications are required to be filed by the intending applicant for issuance of such certificate online. Right?
Right.
Also, they said office memorandum lays down the procedure to be followed for issuance of such certificate. Mr. Your name?
A Saranya, appearing on behalf of.
A.
A Saranya.
A. Saranya. Mr. A. Saranya, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner would make appropriate application in terms of the office memorandum dated 8/8/2022, and the petition be permitted to be withdrawn with liberty to the petitioner to submit an application in accordance with the office memorandum dated 8/8/2022 for issuance of a scheduled caste certificate in favor of his daughter,
Yes, right. Youngest daughter.
scheduled tribes, in favor of his daughters. Full stop. In view of the above submission of the learned counsel for the petitioner, the present writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for. The copy of the office memorandum dated 8/8/2022 is produced by Mr. P. Hazarika, learned counsel for the respondent number 4 and 5, is kept on record and marked as X.
Public.
It's gone or it's still in Borpeta.
Still there, madam.
Huh? Why? Who is there? BTC, get BTC. Kajalgaon. Huh? It is not gone to Kajalgaon. It's still operating here. What grievance do you have then? There is no interim order.
Oh, no.
Then what grievance you have? Enjoy.
That's not close the liberty. If they want to intend, then I can come again,
Mr. R.S. Mishra,
my lord.
learned counsel for the petition on instructions, submits that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition with liberty to refile the no, Mr. R.S. Mishra, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits on instructions that the shifting of the IT TDP
Integrated Tribal Development Project.
project office from Borpeta to Kajalgaon has not been done by the respondent authorities till date. So accordingly, he submits that he be permitted to withdraw the present writ petition with liberty to assail any such decision taken in future for shifting of the ITDP office from Borpeta to any other location. First off, the prayer is not objected to by Mr. J. Hendick, learned counsel for the state respondents. Full stop. In view of the above, the writ petition stands dismissed with liberty as paid for.
If you close this,
Huh?
my lord, can be, why is closed, my lord?
Same thing, liberty is there, man.
Deeply obliged.
Somebody does not back, come back.
Deeply obliged. My pleasure, lord. My lord.
Yes, Mr. Bukasto.
My lord, this is a matter, my lord, relates to non-payment of, my lord, the bill amount, which I have executed in terms of the work order.
Okay.
And my lord, on the last occasion, on my lord, 22/2/2022, they took time to file affidavit.
Yes, Mr. Roy, why
I don't know
affidavit
what
is not filed?
what is the
Lordship,
stand of
what
the-
had happened, Lordship, this regiment was not here now, Lordship. So I request some time, Lordship. Today morning I have talked with that person. So they seek some time.
Okay, Mr. Bukasto. You are Nikhil Boydon,
My lord,
right?
my lord,
3 lakhs was paid
my lord,
in the account of Chandan Boydon.
my lord, he is my brother.
Show me any document by which you had authorized the respondents to make this payment.
No, my lord, that was, I have made a statement that initially I did not have any, my lord, opportunity to have
You
a
you
bank
have made a statement, I understand. But where is the document?
document is,
You say that there was an agreement arrived at.
yes,
Where is that agreement?
that agreement I don't have. my lord.
Then,
But payment was made, my lord, in the account of my brother.
yes, why,
That
is
is
this amount due to him?
Lordship, that we could
Reflected-
not take the instruction because the platoon is not
no longer
It
here.
is the authority, my
So,
lord.
Lordship, the platoon moved,
It is the authority who transferred the my lord amount.
that's why, Lordship.
I am not disputing so much.
Now you have a bank account.
My lord, possibly, my lord, at the moment, he is having.
Or we will have it deposited in our court account for public purpose. Mr. S.S. Roy, learned counsel appearing for the respondent submits that he be given time, 1 week time to complete his instructions in the
Two
matter.
weeks, Lordship.
2 weeks time to complete his instructions in the matter. Full stop. Prayer is not objected to by Mr. A.K. Purkhaista, learned counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. Full stop. Prayer is accepted. Full stop. Mr. Roy is permitted as a last chance to complete his instructions in the matter. Registry to list this matter again on
After 7, my lord. After 7th of May.
on 14/5/2025. In the event, the instructions of in the event, Mr. Roy. But no way. Mr. Roy completed. It's pending for a long time.
Obliged.
Mr. Chamaria's flight got delayed. So he is not here. That was the mention made in the division bench today. So we'll have to accommodate him. A prayer is made on behalf of Mr. S. Chamaria, learned counsel for the petitioner for an adjournment in the matter. Also, Mr. G. N. Saivala, learned senior counsel appearing for the respondent number 6 and 7. 5, 6 and 7. Does not oppose to such prayer made on behalf of Mr. Chamaria. Also, accordingly, registry to list this matter again on Mr. Saivala, when it will be convenient to you.
Any day, my lord.
Let us have it on 7, 7/5.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship.
Any compromise done?
Yes, Your Lordship, they have compromised, so I am praying for withdrawal of this writ.
Mr.
B.V. Kapoti.
B.B. Kakoti, learned counsel for the petitioner submits on instructions that the parties to the proceeding have already compromised the matter and accordingly submits that he be permitted to withdraw the writ petition. Also, prayer is not objected to by Ms. M. Bormont, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, for the respondents. Also, accordingly, the writ petition stands dismissed on withdrawal.
Obliged.
My senior is at Lakes.
Huh?
My senior is at Lakes, Mr. NB Chaudhary. Can we pass over?
Yes, Mr. Roy.
Lordship, this crossing has been filed under Article 226, where a charge sheet has been submitted
Huh,
against the accused,
Okay.
petitioner accused.
but that is not a bar. We can still look into the FIR. Okay, Mr. Chaudhary is having some problem today. We'll have it on a different day.
We will also file our affidavit of.
Please do so. As prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter. Mr. Roy, when will it be convenient to you?
After 4 weeks.
Huh?
After 4 weeks.
4
weeks.
weeks. 2 weeks.
I have to prepare.
2018 matter.
No, we are appearing for the first time.
Okay. You are paying for the first time. Okay.
I
Registry to
appealed
list this
yes.
matter again after 4 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Obliged.
Yes, Mr. Vishwas.
My friend, they have filed the affidavit, my lord. And the point raised by your lordship that during the, if the account is frozen or not operative, how they have changed the account. They have admitted that Bombay office has done it from their affidavit.
Yes, Mr. Gogoi.
That is the stand, your lordship, in our affidavit, that with the back pastry as the data for all transactions are being received at corporate center. It is not possible to branch to provide any documents. So it is a backend process, but automatically after being stopped for the 2 years, your lordship, then automatically it is being stopped. No, it is not done by the here in Rangapara branch, sir. It is done by the.
But by doing that, you have not taken care of her, the insurance premium.
Lordship.
Who will compensate? You will have to compensate.
That is the, in last of the several occasions, this noble court pinpointly asked me on that point of issue. whether who will be the liable for this, but the instruction which have been affidavit is not been a satisfactory up to date. In annexer 2, that is the stand, your lordship. We have stand on it. My humble present letter petition may be disposed with a direction to if observations some of otherwise.
It will be either dismissed or allowed.
Lords.
We'll take it on a hearing day and complete it, finish it.
It will be fixed by you.
Oh.
What are
As prayed for, the pleadings are, full stop, as stated in the pleadings in the matter has been completed, full stop. As agreed to by the learned counsel for the parties, registry to list this matter again on 14/5/2025 for admission. An endeavor would be made to dispose of the matter on the next day.
Deep Lovelace.
May I please your lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, learned counsel Mr. Disiphat Hazari has recently shifted his chamber, your honor. So we couldn't able to locate the file. So we need some extra time to relocate the file, your honor.
Who has, Mr. Hazarika?
Yes, your honor.
May I please?
What has happened after the filing of the AIU? Affidavit in opposition was filed long back.
It is not filed. In the meantime, there is a development. United Bank of India is amalgamated with Punjab National
Punjab
Bank.
National Bank. So they'll have to make
Present
Punjab.
United Bank of India is not in existence.
Firm.
So they have to amend the deed petition. And after that, I will file a affidavit in opposition.
Okay, your honor.
Ms. J. Kolita,
J. Besbura, your honor.
J. Besburwa, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submits that she be granted 2 weeks time to amend the cause title and array Punjab National Bank
Punjab National
as a
Bank.
party respondent in the present proceeding in view of the fact that United Bank of India has now been
Amalgamated with the
with
Punjab
Punjab
National Bank.
National Bank.
Kindly 4 weeks time. It is.
4 weeks. 4 weeks, no, 2 weeks, 2018 matter. On small application file,
Lordship, oh, nice.
take the address of Punjab National Bank from Mr. Parvez.
Yes,
Please.
lordship.
I'll
Give it.
May I please your lordship? I prefer sometimes to take it.
What happened after the affidavit is filed? They have said many things there.
Yep.
That these matters are pending, it has gone, some money has been released. What happened after that?
Lordship, as per my record, we have not filed.
NHIDC,
That
you want some time.
we are unable to contact with the petition. As
I
per-
think they have got the money
Maybe, my lord, that instruction, I could have a.
as prayed for by the learned counsel for the parties for an adjournment in the matter to receive updated instructions, registry to list this matter again on 19/5/2025. You get your instruction.
As well as NICDC.
Whoever is, I've said, that's why I've not named.
For our instruction, they have to.
They'll have
receive the money.
You just check up whether the money has been deposited because 3G estimates have been literally
Yes.
approved.
In the meantime, perhaps they have got the money.
Maybe that's why they are not
It is there.
taking
That's
their
the
calls.
connection is-
okay.
Obviously.
Yes, Mr. Kel.
If I am for the income tax department, the matter is old matter. Actually, I don't have file with me. I requested my learning friend, he will supply all the copies to me. Approximately fix the matter in the month of May. Probably affidavit is already been filed.
Affidavit is there. Reply is also been filed. It's only a short question whether
Yes,
subsequent to that you say that assessment was complete.
yes,
So the earlier year assessment cannot be taken, but they have given justification.
yes, they have said they are relying on some.
Decisions also.
I'll go through and I will assist you.
On the prayer of Mr. S.C. Cal, Mr. S.C. Cal, Learned Standing Counsel, Income Tax Department, appearing for the respondent, submits that he be granted 2 weeks time to complete his instructions in the matter. After 2 weeks' time to complete his instructions in the matter. Prayer is not objected to by the learned counsel for the petitioner. Raised to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by. Huh?
Interim is the-
The interim order passed earlier to continue until further orders.
Much of.
I'm like,
Okay, 25.
May I please have an option?
Yes. What happened to the,
other one.
ah,
Still, my lord, that appeal has been accepted and it is, pending for hearing.
so we'll have it after some time. Let that matter go on.
But if the matter is pending at the High Court, my lord, the appeal, our appeal had been dismissed on the limitation ground. That is the issue. The order of limitation by which the learned session judge has been dismissed. Two way,
This criminal case number 5 is also filed by you.
no. This is, my lord, my case number is,
Who has filed this criminal miscase 5 of 2018?
that is a different vehicle, my lord, different one, my lord. My vehicle is a.
Now, why is it incorporated in this order?
No, incorporated because, my lord, this honorable court wanted to know that the two vehicles were seized, my lord.
True, huh?
Now, my.
Fine timber from Shillong,
Exactly,
Meghalaya.
my lord,
Hmm.
exactly, my lord. Now, my vehicle, my lord, when we, the authorized officer has directed for confiscation in both the vehicles, my lord. One, both the orders were put into challenge as a criminal appeal, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, both the petitions were dismissed on the ground of limitation. Now, when the other one approached and came before this, before my lordship's, my lord, for interpretation.
Session judge cannot, he'll have to be the district judge. It will be not a criminal proceeding. It will be as, he will take it up as a district judge.
My lord, that-
Accordingly, criminal case was registered.
My lord, now, secondly, my lord, that the order of, my lord, that the learned session judge order has been interfered with by this honorable court, my lord, and remanded the matter to take into call, my lord. Now, my case is pending since, my lord, 2009.
What is that case number?
My lord.
Okay, Vishal
My lord,
Kumar.
yes, Vishal Kumar's case number is, my lord.
3900.
5 of 2000.
Yeah, there is none representing the forest department.
Now, today, they know, my lord.
That case was not taken up in appeal also.
No, my lord, my case is still in the, before my lordship.
No. Vishal Kumar's case
That
was
has
not
been-
carried
that
up.
has been After remanding the matter.
That has been now complied with.
Appeal has been accepted and it is in the, my lord, hearing stage, my lord, as the instruction we have received, my lord. Both the vehicle are in a very good condition, my lord, it can be operated, my lord. Though it is.
No, this cannot be because
My lord,
the ordinate benches have already held that,
already held, my lord.
that the session judge will not have a jurisdiction.
My lord,
As a session judge to consider
Yes,
matter,
yes.
he'll have to consider it as a,
my lord. So.
there is none here, forest
my-
department.
I say,
We could have disposed, we can dispose
Yes,
of this matter. Well, let us take up two other two matters. If they come, we'll.
my-
see.
my-
None has appeared on call in the matter for the petitioner. Also, it is seen that the Laujima Court on 19/7/2022, Laujima Court had passed several orders requiring the petitioner to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 3, and the last of such orders were passed on 19/7/2022. Also, the office note reveals that no such steps have been taken by the petitioner till date. So, in view of the above position, the writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Otherwise also, Lordship, our affidavit is clear, she is not.
If something is there, we'll come back. Also, the Lajima Court orders reveal that the petitioner was required to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 8. Full stop. The last of such orders were passed by the Lajima Court on 1/4/2025, following its earlier orders dated 11/11/2024 and 5/12/2024. Full stop. It is seen that the petitioner has not taken any steps in the matter till date. Full stop. Further, none appears for the petitioner on call. Full stop. In view of the above, the writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution. Who is appearing for the Director Municipal Administration? Yes, the petitioner has filed an affidavit wherein he says that he has submitted the copies of the writ petition to you for service upon respondent number 5 and 6. 5 and 6. What has it been served?
Yes, served lordship.
Where? How do I know?
Today, inform me verbally lordship.
You file an affidavit. Miss
S. Kaur.
S. Kumar, Learned Counsel appearing for the Director Municipal Administration submits that the notices in the present writ petition has been served upon the respondent's number 5 and 6 in pursuance to the copies thereof being furnished by the petitioner. So she submits that she be granted 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit in the matter on behalf of the Director, Municipal Administration, Assam. So prayer is not objected to by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Registry, accordingly, registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by interim order passed earlier to continue till the next day. Yes, Mr. Bhattakur. Are you aware of this matter?
I am, my lord, but can it be, my lord, fixed tomorrow or day after, my lord?
Because nothing is there, because this has to go back. The order apparently is without jurisdiction. And this coordinate bench has already done and the matter is now pending
Yes, sir.
consideration. So we'll also ask Mr. Bhuya to join that.
That can be done, lord.
As prayed for by Mr. I. Bhattakur, Learned Counsel for the state respondents. Registry to list this matter again on when? Thursday,
Thursday.
10. No, Thursday, 24. 24. 4, 2020. 25. Huh?
Obliged.
It will report.
Obliged.